Oh, write your name. E. Z. Z.
No.
Ay, that's wrong. One more. E. Dali na. Bili tayo ice cream tomorrow. E. E. Z. I. 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 Okay. O.
No.
Oh, no. Ay, wag na lahat. Oh, sige na, ulit. E. E. Okay, very good. Z. Z. I. Okay, good. O. 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 Very good. That's your name. Oh, read mo. Read mo. Ezio. That's your name. Sabi mo. It's my name. Sabi mo. Ezio. Wala na. Bura na. Ezio. Ice cream tomorrow? Ezio. O, write ka pa ulit. Ano pang write mo? Ezio, ano pang write mo? Huy. O, write mo daw letter K. Paano yung letter K? Letter K. Dali na, letter K. Oh, what's the color? What's the color? This one. Ezio, what's the color of this? Ezio, listen to mommy. Anong color to?
Pink.
Oh, this one.
Blue.
This one.
Yellow.
Very good. This one. This one, what's the color? Uy, sulat niyo yung name niya. Okay. Uy, ang galing. Wala nang ano ni mommy. Oh, one more. Ang galing. Oh, next letter. Wow! Yay! Ang galing, alam mo na yung name